In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in Outlook. If you've ever wondered the most reliable way to attach files to an email, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish and help you avoid common pitfalls. First, open Outlook from your desktop. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log in so your mailboxes and files are available. Once Outlook is open, select New Email to bring up a fresh composition window. This is where you'll add recipients, a subject, your message, and of course, your attachment. To attach a file, look along the ribbon at the top. Depending on your Outlook layout, you'll find the Attach File button, marked with a paperclip, on either the Message tab or the Insert tab. Click it to open your file source options. If your file is saved on your computer, choose Browse this PC. A File Explorer window appears, letting you navigate to folders, preview file names, and confirm you're grabbing the correct version. When you've highlighted the file you want, click Insert or Open to attach it to the email. If your file lives in OneDrive, choose the OneDrive option. Outlook will connect to your cloud storage and list recent or organized files. Here you'll see two common choices: Upload and Share or Send as a link. Upload and Share places a cloud-backed copy with sharing enabled, which is great for collaborative edits and keeping everyone on the latest version. Sending a link keeps the message lightweight and avoids size limits, and recipients will open the document directly from OneDrive. After choosing the approach that fits your scenario, select the file and confirm to attach it. Before you send, glance at the attachment area in the message header. Make sure you see the correct file name, and if you used a cloud option, verify whether it's set to share as a link or as an attached copy. A quick check here prevents sending the wrong draft or an outdated version. If the file is large, using a link helps bypass mailbox size limits and speeds up sending. Giving your attachment a clear, descriptive name also makes it easier for recipients to find later. Now finish your email. Add a clear subject line, write your message body, and double-check your recipients. When everything looks good, you can click Send, schedule the message to go out later, or start a mail merge if you're sending a personalized message to many recipients. That's all there is to it: simple, flexible, and reliable.